Okay, y'all, so here is the details on the hair. I'm using Kima Ripple Deep, the color Linen 27 and 30. I cut the 20-inch packs in half, and then we have two 8-inch packs. So let's hop right on in here. I have a horizontal braiding pattern. This is like my go-to braiding pattern for any kind of bobs, especially with this Kima silky hair. I also have some horizontal braids in the front for her bang to add volume. Okay, so when you're doing these kinds of crochets using this kind of texture hair, please crochet starting at the top of the braid and sliding your crochet needle down. This is so important to avoid slippage. You want your braids, you want your crochet knots to sit up underneath your braids. So here's my technique. I go above the braid, I slide the hair through, I twist to create a knot. I take a small portion of the hair on the side and I create another knot. Sometimes I double knot. With this hair, I did not have to. Again, pull the hair through, knot, secure. Very important. Keep watching. Okay, y'all, so here is the indication that you are crocheting this stuff the right way. It should look like it's stitched onto her braid. Do you see how neat, how flat those knots are? It's perfect, okay? So this is your indication that you're doing it the proper way. It creates a flat foundation and she's good to go. So here is the Larks knotting invisible part method. I hope you guys can see this. So I started with just pulling the hair through like you normally would. You're going to go adjacent to where you pierced previously, pull the hair through, and then create a knot. It's kind of hard to explain, so I hope you guys can kind of slow it down and look at the method so that you can learn how to do it. It's really easy when you can see a visual. Let's get up close. Okay, so I pulled it through. I'm going next to where I pierced. I'm going to loop the hair into the hook. I pull through, create a knot. You want to spread the hair out, and then boom, you got your invisible part. Now I take it a step further and I knot just like I do the regular crochet with this hair. This is to avoid that slippage. All right, keep watching. Adding my argan on foam wrap. Y'all know that this is my favorite product for all things crochet. So I'm just going to rub this through. I like to tame the hair before I cut it. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to smooth it all the way through. And I'm going to start cutting the bob in the back. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you share it with somebody else that could benefit from the content. Comment and let me know what you think. Turn on your notification bell and like this video. And of course, live life on purpose with purpose. Love you guys. Be blessed.